Deputy Jesus, I am the deputy God. If I ain't teach you how to run, you'd have fuck off for a voice. I've been sharing my know-how. It's in that an act of God. Got my ego from Satan. Yeah, I'm lording over you, you know. You know. Yes, sir.
Vicky, hit me with that shit.
If he a hating as demon, you better hit BT hop. Selling heaven my products, an early class, you know us. Niggas like to live in strife, was you once upon a time. Sell for 100k my prime, try to sell my news online. Someday they'll turn up online, still I'll be the super guy. Lost and trying to find myself, when I found the king of men. I lent to your fucking voice, show me who money mofos. Wrote TJS on myself, sell 10M a welcome plus. Anyway, buy my book, I reckon that you should. Learning never stops, nigga, cause learning is like food. Think I'm the real son of God, devil's ego I lord over you. Gave up his seat at the right hand, so now my kingdom's come. Supernigga, the world as we know it revolve around me. Every point my life so far been on some fuck this nigga shit. All the sun in my room this morning, tapped it all into my skin. Young nigga, the stuff of hope, a prophet I knew it'll come. Your ain't curious about me, what in hell else you thinking? Superstitious niggas spend too much time on what the time was saying. 4-1s and 4-4-4s, we all guys believe in sun. When I broke cool and saw 5 souls, was confirming of my blessing. It was confirming of my blessing. It was confirming of my blessing. It was confirming of my blessing. Yes sir. Okay, let's go. Run from the police in my car, with your bitch in the front seat. Hamilton P. If I call right now, promise she slide and eat. No point though, unable to boss for any random bitch. In the knock they say, self-serving fucking everyone I see. She's frantic, grandiosity, feeling like the holy tip. Been known to like a bitch that's proud, that shouts to holy P. Focus you and I'll do me. If it was meant to be, it'll be. Stubborn girl, baddest in the world, and I'm her Supernigga. Maybe greater than Hove, so from my intent be will pick. She with her power made me cry, had to get my mojo up. Trigger me to think to cheat, come back home instead with you. Only reason I shared my story, you could find your voice and raw. Supernigga.
Tempo mix.